So today you are joining me on my first ever wild camp. I'm out with my friend over there, who's an experienced wild camper, and he's going to show me the ropes. I'll put a link to his channel down below, or up there, or wherever it goes. And yeah, we've got a bit of a different approach. I think he's a bit of a gear snob, and I'm in my hobo outfit. And yeah, we'll see how we go on. Yeah, so as I was saying, we've probably got a bit of a slightly different kit selection, although I have found out today that we're wearing, well, we're not wearing it at the moment, but we've got exactly the same rain jacket, which is actually a fantastic jacket. But you are wearing the Vivo Barefoot, what's the name of your shoes?
Tracker.
And apparently they're waterproof.
They are waterproof.
Which is good, considering if you look what we've, well, you can't actually see down that, it's not the best example. But it's pretty boggy. So yeah, and I've got my fantastic but 5-year-old, well, probably at least 5 years old, Decathlon winter boots, which I have to say are probably the best bit of kit I've had for a long time. They're very warm, totally waterproof, as waterproof as well is actually. Yeah, super bit of kit.
Yeah, I haven't tested how waterproof these are yet, but apparently they are very waterproof. But
I think we'll probably find out on this.
They are leather.
And I've got my hobo kit. I've still got my Crag Hoppers ancient trousers, and you've got Rab onesie basically.
I can't remember. It's a Rab onesie. I can't remember. I've got all Rab ones apart from my top.
Yeah. So he's got all the fancy kit. I've got all the not so fancy kit. So it'll be interesting to see how we get on, and if there's a noticeable difference between our stuff.
Obviously, my stuff will be better.
Well, yours will cost more, and is obviously like well tested, well known. My stuff not so much. And sort of camping wise, I've got a Snugpack sleeping bag, which I really rate.
What sleeping bag?
Yeah, exactly. So he has no idea. I've used Snugpack sleeping bags for years. And you think I'm going to freeze?
Well, it's rated to 10 degrees, isn't it?
No, it's rated. Comfort rating's -1.
Oh. It's not actually going to get down to freezing tonight, so it's going to be about minus. It's
4, is it?
4 degrees tonight, so it should be fine.
Now, I would normally sort of be a bit wary, probably of most sleeping bags. Their comfort ratings, especially, are normally way off.
Comfort ratings are way off, which is why I normally go for a lot colder, and I'm a cold sleeper as well.
Yeah, and I'm actually quite a hot sleeper. But one thing I do know about Snugpack is they tend to be relatively close to what they say they do. So anyway, that'll be interesting. That'll be interesting to see how warm it gets. I think I'm going to be too hot, if anything. He'd probably disagree. So we'll see in the middle of the night if I'm freezing my ass off. And sleeping mat wise, you've not seen my sleeping mat. I think it's really good, this kit.
What is it?
So I've got Decathlon Fort Class inflatable thermal sleeping mat.
Oh, okay. Oh, I have seen that.
Yeah, I think it's a really good bit of kit.
It's very close to buying it, actually.
Super compact, super light, very comfortable. Tried it out. So yeah, and have you still got your Nemo tensor?
I'm not using the Nemo tensor now. I've got my winter one, which is the Cedar Summit Eater Light XT Extreme. It's not lightweight. It doesn't pack down very well.
Oh really?
But it is super warm and super comfortable.
Okay.
Now value rating on it 6.2,
Oh, Jesus, really?
I think. Yeah, so it's a proper winter one.
Wow.
The Nemo tensor probably would have been fine tonight, but.
And your sleeping bag, what's that?
My sleeping bag is the Rab Ascent 900, which is rated down to about -18.
Okay. So either I've really badly miscalculated, or yeah, or I'm going to be fine and he's going to be in a furnace. That's going to be an interesting one. So yeah, my sleeping bags. I think the extreme rating is like -10 or something. And I think the sleeping pad is, I think it's our value is about 3.5. I think. I think I'm going to be fine. We'll see.
Start again.
Start again. Beautiful. found our little camping spot for the evening. Good little spot actually. It's quite sheltered out the wind with this giant rock, and there should be a fantastic view in the morning, as you can see. It's all nicely set up in our tent now. It's got very cold and quite windy, as you can probably hear. I've had a bit of rain as well. My watch is saying it's about 4 degrees. And we both just had a look outside, and yeah, in the wind, especially with the wind chill, very cold. But my sleeping bag feels pretty tasty, so I'm quite happy that I'm going to be warm enough tonight.
Wait, like rip a hole in it later.
Well, if he does that, then maybe not. Although I tend to sleep quite hot, so I'll probably be quite thankful. So yeah, we're all set up, and yeah, it should be an interesting night. I don't think it's due to get much colder than this.
No, I think it's supposed to be no more than 4 degrees.
So yeah, we'll see how we go. Good morning. It's about 8:20, and we've had a decent night's sleep.
You've had a decent
I've had a decent night's sleep. He hasn't. I don't really know why.
I never sleep well.
Why did? Okay. My Falkland sleeping pad, extremely comfortable. The sleeping bag was really warm as well, so that's all cool. It's a pretty windy night. It's quite cold. It got down to 3 or 4 degrees, I think. But yeah, all good. I slept pretty well. I'm enjoying my wild camping experience. The weather today is not looking so good. I think we've got quite a bit of rain to come.
Rain this afternoon.
We're going to do a, I think, 8-9 mile walk today. Yeah, and we'll see what it's like. So this is this morning's view, and you can see where we pitched up. Nice little spot, and you can see we've got, well, mixed conditions today. It's pretty beautiful there. It's bitingly cold. I can't feel my hands at the moment. But yeah, it should be a nice walk today. And yeah, there's Mr. Screamy in the tent. But actually, above me, the clouds thinning out, so I might get a little bit of sun, which would be nice.
Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit.
Not sure if you're about to hear me because it's rainy and very windy. We're about halfway on today's walk. I think we've done about five-ish miles. We're coming to Majestic Tower. Very cold, a bit haily, rain, hail, everything today. So yeah, this is very strange, in the middle of nowhere. No idea what it's for. It's pretty ancient, but interesting find anyway.
That mood, sort of weirdly and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your coyote song on a rerun.
Best thing is you can come inside. It's very interesting actually. It's actually still got a stairway at the very top. I'm not sure you can see that. What an amazing building. Hello. Hello. You're looking for a treat. Real beautiful. So back in the car now after our wild camp and our 10-ish mile walk. Yeah, it's great, fantastic. Really enjoyed the wild camping. I slept really well. Him not so much, probably because I was snoring. But I think I was probably meant to sleep outside. But yeah, really good. I definitely did. Sorry about the road noise. It's actually got quite busy. Weather was pretty mixed. It got pretty chilly overnight, sort of 2-3 degrees maybe. But my my sleeping bag was good. My floor mat was fantastic, really comfy. So yeah, I'll do that again.